is a hermetic distribution cabinet from the Polish manufacturer Pawbol. The enclosure is made of ABS and comes with 4 mounting plates and a key. It can be hanged vertically or horizontally with a maximum opening door angle of 210 degrees. Inside, you have a galvanized metal mounting plate and universal mounting profiles. It is rated for IP65 and IK10 and can operate in temperature range of 25 up to 60 degrees. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.